I've got like 9 or 10 people who've been to my website and seen that I had Pomeranians wanting to buy dogs. I'm like, I've never even advertised for them. How do y'all even know I have them?
I think there are pictures of.
Yeah, but I guess I just didn't realize that when you go to puppyfind.com or something, it actually has the website there. People probably actually go to your website and look to see, but when you're putting all that in there, you're not thinking they're going to your website. You're thinking they're just looking at the pictures. Yeah. And I know I put that in there, but I'm like, why would somebody looking for a Newfoundland call me about Pomeranians? That's just crazy.
Yeah, no, and they look so adorable in your pictures. Like, I think you have a white English bulldog or...
Oh, yeah.
And you add breeding. There, not breeding. Yeah. But it's like, oh my gosh, look at that. So cute.
Get a picture while you can.
You got all the information in, don't you?
I couldn't bring myself to... That's just a card. I couldn't bring myself to breed her. Okay. She's like, we got her, and I told Bobby I would get her for him. But I said, look, dogs are big responsibility, and I'm going to have to pay all of her food and stuff, so we're going to have to breed her to pay back all of